Okay, lawn fans, so we are correcting a bad leveling job from last weekend and bad materials. I'll put part of that blame on me, but I got the right material this time. Take a look at that. Bought it from a concrete place. Ordered 3 tons of it, and I'm down here. This was the worst place that I had. I'm sorry you're bouncing all around. I don't have the selfie stick or whatever you want to call it on here, but this was the worst area. Got it done so far. I'm just putting my piles down there, pushing them out with the leveling tool. Now I've got some places that I have to fix from the prior leveling job last week, but they have all grown in. So I'm good to go on that. Then I will hook this drag up to the back of the golf cart and smooth everything out. And so far, there's the drag right there. There's $1 million in wood for our front entrance. But anyways, I'll hook that drag up to the whole yard, smooth it out, and so far this is going so much easier than it did last week with that crappy shitty soil that or sand I had right here. And I'll show you the difference. Look at that, all clumpy and stuff, and then look at this. So that's it. Again, I'm going to emphasize, do not get wet sand and try to level it out on your yard. You end up with a big old mess. Inspect the sand before you pay for it, or if it's being delivered, check it before they dump it off your truck and before you pay for it. That's it. Just a quick one. Bermuda Brian, out. Okay, lawn fans, so this is after I completed the leveling. I took a drag across it on the back of the golf cart to get the sand down in. Then I took my leveling rake and went across it to knock the sand down in below the canopy. This is the levelest this yard has ever been. You could ice skate on this thing. I can't wait until the grass grows back through, roll a golf ball across it so I can show you how level it is. But you learn from mistakes. If you remember correctly, last weekend, I bought 5 tons of junk sand from a landscaping place, and it had rocks all in it. It was compacted, it was chunky, and this is it. Then I bought masonry sand from a cement place, and this is it. See the difference in color and in texture? Take that, and I take this, and it's just chunky all the way around. But, so I'm anxious to see how this comes in. Did a lot of work today, but that's gonna pay off. Had a guy come and put Christmas lights up on the house. If you look right there, you can see his tire tracks in the yard, and I will never do that again. I'll pay somebody to climb up on the house to hang lights next year. But I will do a follow-up video once this grows in to show you how it turned out. Bermuda Brian, out.